I'm Camille and I sit at the desk a lot, and I've come up with some stretches that really help to make me feel better, and I just wanted to show it to you. So my first stretch is in the prayer position. So you have your shoulders down. You want to have a gap between your ears and your shoulders. So the whole time we're doing yoga, we have that gap, because as you get into more and more uncomfortable poses, or you get a bit tired, you start doing this, which is exactly what you do on the computer. So we have that gap. And then you move it a little bit to the left, or my left, and then a little bit to the right. And you can really feel it here. So it's perfect for mouse hands. Then we flip the prayer position downwards. And then we move to the right and the left. Just move it gently, just sliding it through, then come back to the prayer. And then we take it behind our back. It's quite normal if you can only get to there. So just do what you can. And we're making sure our shoulders are relaxed. And then you can even bring it out a little bit if you like. If you want a bit more of a stretch, I'm just bringing the prayer a little bit away from my body and just breathe and relax into this one. So that one's our RSI stretch. You can also do these ones, but the prayer position one's a little bit more exciting. This next one is for tech neck, when you've been texting too much or just looking down a little bit. So what we do is we have our shoulders down, and then we put our hand gently on top of our head, and then we move our neck slightly to the side. And then here comes the game changer, where you put your loose hand up just slightly, and you can really feel it in your neck here, and then release it. Yeah, I can feel the difference. So we've done the neck, we've done the shoulders and the hands. This one's a little bit more tricky. It needs a bit of coordination. It's called the eagle arms. So what you do is you have your elbows out, and then you cross your elbows, and then with your hands, you clap them, so like that. Once you're in, you're gonna start to feel a bit of tightness in your shoulders. So just get comfortable. And now what we do is we take our fingers up here to the sky, and you're going to feel it in the middle of your back, middle of your upper back, which is really hard to stretch. And that's exactly where I get a sore back, in the middle. And if I get a massage, I always say, oh, can you please elbow in right at the top of my back? And then I was thinking, well, what stretch could get into that? And so I found it. It's the eagle arms. Okay, so we've done our neck, we've done our shoulders, we've done the middle of our back, and now it's time to do our legs. So this one's perfect because when you sit at a desk, your legs are always together, everything's boxed up. So in this, we're going to release and stretch. We go wide, and then we just lunge in. My feet are parallel. I like this one for a desk stretch because when you're sitting down, your feet are always together and your hips are together. So this one really stretches out. Come back and we've done 4 stretches for your desk.